riding the content wave. What's a content creation agency? In today's digital world, everyone's talking about content, but what does it really mean? Simply put, content is anything that tells a story, shares information, or connects with people online. Think videos, blog posts, social media updates, even those catchy jingles you can't get out of your head. Now imagine a team of creative superheroes dedicated to crafting this compelling content for businesses. That's a content creation agency in a nutshell. They're the wordsmiths, the storytellers, the visual wizards who help businesses shine online. But it's not just about churning out words and pictures. A good content creation agency dives deep into understanding its client's audience. They figure out what makes them tick, what keeps them engaged, and ultimately, what makes them hit that buy button. So, if you're passionate about storytelling, have a knack for grabbing attention, and love all things digital, starting a content creation agency might just be your calling. Why your content creation agency matters now more than ever. The internet is like a bustling marketplace, and guess what? Every business is vying for attention. That's where your content creation agency steps in, acting as the megaphone that cuts through the noise. Today, businesses big and small need engaging content to attract customers, build trust, and boost sales. They need captivating videos to go viral, informative blog posts to rank high on Google, and eye-catching social media posts to stop thumbs from scrolling. But here's the thing, creating high-quality content takes time, effort, and a whole lot of creativity. Most businesses are already juggling a million things. They don't have the bandwidth to become expert content creators on top of everything else. That's where you come in. By offering top-notch content creation services, you're not just providing a service, you're solving a real problem for businesses. You're their secret weapon in the digital world. Building your content empire, a step-by-step guide. Ready to roll up your sleeves and build your content creation agency? Fantastic. Here's a roadmap to guide you. Step 1. Laying the foundation. Research and planning. Before you dive in, take time to understand your market. Who are your ideal clients? What kind of content are they craving? Research your competitors, identify your strengths, and define what makes your agency unique. Step 2. Finding your niche. Defining services. Don't try to be everything to everyone. Focus on a specific niche, whether it's video marketing, blog writing, social media management, or a combination. This helps you become an expert and attract the right clients. Step 3. The legal stuff, setting up shop. Choose a business name, register your agency, and sort out your legal and financial ducks. Don't worry, it's not as daunting as it sounds. There are tons of resources online to guide you through the process. Step 4. Assembling your A-team. Building a team. You don't have to do it all alone. Build a team of talented writers, designers, editors, and strategists who share your passion for content. Step 5. Shouting from the rooftops, marketing and finding clients. Create a killer website and portfolio that showcases your expertise. Network online and offline, leverage social media, and consider paid advertising to reach your target audience. Section 4. Conquering the content creation mountain, overcoming challenges. Starting any business comes with its hurdles, and the content creation world is no different. You might face challenges like fierce competition. The content creation landscape is competitive. Stand out by delivering exceptional quality, specializing in a niche, and building strong client relationships. Finding clients takes time to build a steady client base. Be patient, network actively, and consider offering free or discounted services initially to showcase your skills. Managing workflow can be tricky when juggling multiple projects and deadlines. Invest in project management tools and establish clear communication channels with your team and clients. Remember, every challenge is an opportunity to learn and grow. Embrace the ups and downs, stay adaptable, and never stop learning. Section 5. Ready, set, create. Your content agency journey begins now. Starting a content creation agency is an exciting adventure. It's about combining your passion for creativity with your entrepreneurial spirit to build a business you love. The digital world is hungry for engaging content, and there's never been a better time to ride this wave. So, take that leap of faith, trust your instincts, and watch your content creation empire flourish. What are you waiting for? Your content creation journey starts today.